Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we get a new van, and yes, the original, the OG, the Berlingo has died. Let's get into this. So yes, the Berlingo has died then finally. So it's not past its MOT, it's got like a cracked underbody, there's quite a bit of work to be done, and it's not worth it for the age of the vehicle, the mileage, and yeah, it's only lasted about 9 years. So it's got 160 miles on the clock, but yeah, it's going to be 1,500 quid to get it fixed, and there could be more issues after that, so it's time to say goodbye. And this is the beast we've bought. Look at this, it's the same as Brian's vehicle then. So it's the Vauxhall Vivaro. It's got a double-sided, you've got a door here, door on the other side. But look at this. So Matt doesn't know he's getting this. He thinks we've been telling him and egging him on because he's been on holiday for a week, going, yeah, the van's fixed, a little van, but it whistles now when you drive. You know, I've been winding him up. He's like, oh, thanks. So yeah, we're going to deliver it shortly, and then later on in the week we'll rack it out, and then we'll get it signed written. So it's all to come. So yeah, we'll get his reaction when he sees the van. But for now, we're just emptying it all out, and it's all going in here. So it's a bit of a jumble. Look at this. So we've just basically got all the shelves just in bags for now, but this will all be nicely racked out, a bit like Brian's van. So racking, ladder section, van vault, should look pretty cool. And here's the little beast then, the old racking then. So we started getting stuff off right now, got loads of random rubbish bits we need to get in the bin, all the old materials and that, we'll get that in there, and some other drills and bits like that. We'll have to get that in one of the old Milwaukee bags so you can take it in his house until we get the new van lock. So there we go then. So let's dismantle this then, and then you'll see what we're going to get, what racking we're going to get, and you'll get to see the full process. Let's get into this.
Time's in about.
No, that's spot on. Yeah, I'll be about 20 minutes, half an hour, if that's alright, mate.
Yeah, not a problem.
That's spot on then. Right, we'll see you shortly then, and I'll just give you a van a little tidy then, yeah?
Alright, cheers.
Yeah, it's alright. We'll sort you out, don't we?
Aye.
Yeah, no,
How you
spot on. Yeah, I'll see you shortly, mate. Bye bye. Yeah, then here's the plan then. So we're going to go to Matt's house. My dad's going to drive this one, so he'll actually think he's getting this van back, but he's not. And then hopefully I can hide that somewhere inconspicuous and be like, right, I've tidied out your van, mate. And then go, oh, where's your tools gone? Actually, mate, that's your van. Let's see if this never happens. It never works, does it? He'll see both of us, he'll just see my dad. We'll see if it goes to plan. There it is. There's my dad. This is where I'm parking Matt's cars there, so it should come out. Oh, excited! I think it's going to be on a video. Is it going to open?
No, it's locked.
Let's get a key. There we go, have a look then. How tidy is that?
It's empty. It's very tiny, but it's empty.
Yeah. No, we've got a new van for you up there, mate.
Oh, buzzing.
Yeah, look at that beast. Same as Brian's.
Surprise, yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to get, it died this week, so I said, right, we'll get Matt a new one.
Oh, lovely.
So it's going to get all signed written and racked out at the moment. All that's just in bags in there. So,
right.
What do you think?
Perfect.
Yeah, so my dad's in van at the moment. Yeah, brilliant. You got a bit more room then, haven't you?
Aye.
So let's see if my dad's open a bit. Yeah. That's alright, I know it's a bit of a dump at the moment with that stuff in, but that it'll be all racked out, ladders in, everything. What do you think? Alright for you?
It's lovely.
Yeah,
speechless.
that'll do, yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely speechless, thank you.
Good lad. You want to sit front?
Yeah.
That'll do, yeah.
Spanking, isn't it? Brand new.
Yeah, it's spot on. It's an absolute little beast, isn't it? There you go, Matt, that'll do, yeah. So it's just got to get signed written and then racked out next week. Have a little see, what do you think?
Seat's a bit low, I'm not quite as tall as you.
It's alright there, little compartment. I'll move a few bits across for you, like your business cards and notepads, pens. All good to go, mate.
It's absolutely cracking, isn't it?
Yeah, brilliant. All right, I've got one last thing then to take out the van. I think we had a good reaction from Matt then. I enjoyed that, I think. So let's get the van vault out now. Now the last screw is right in there. I need my phone torch. Last time I got in there and had to wiggle back out, bruised on my ribs. I'm like a snake. Ah. Yes. Ah. Oh. 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 Look at that. No. Yeah, that's what happened last time, all bruised. Yeah, put it up, there we go. I got that in well, so I had two through the back to hold it in as well, so it won't slide about. No, it's heavy.
Right,
oh.
ready.
Alright. Okay, so we're down at Vanfit Solutions then. So we're here with
Mike. How are you doing?
There we go. So it's going to take us through like what's going in then. So it should be the same as what Brian's is, but what's going in then?
Yeah, so it's a similar fit out to what we did last time. We've got the partial false floor with a cutout at the side door so you retain your full height. We've got a rack facing out the driver's side door, a rack over the passenger side wheel arch, a rack over the driver's side wheel arch, space for ladders and conduit as we'll leave both sides open, and our metal bunker drawers on the driver's side in front of the wheel arch.
Yeah,
so that added security.
Looking forward to it, mate. And we are back then. So I've had a day in the office then, Vanfit Solutions. I've kitted it out and let's check it out. Very excited. Yeah, they're just finishing off there with the final touches then. So look at this. Look at that little action shot. We've got the Vanfit Solutions van racking. Look at this little beast. So what we've gone for then, so we've got a multi-compartment shelving. So we've got some nice little pigeonholes, if you're going to call them. Got some bigger compartments and bigger still. Little bucket compartment there. Matching the other side. Nice bit of symmetry, we like it, we like it. We've gone for the bunker this time. So it's got a bit more of a curvature on it, looking a bit more sleek. There we go. So that'll hush your tools. They're not going anywhere in there, are they? And then I've just finally just put this nice little bit of trim on just to finish it off. So when you're taking your stuff in and out, it's not going to damage that piece of wood. So that's looking great. So we've got loads of room for ladders then. So this is the ladder section. So we slide them in, slide them out. Nice and easy. Brian loves that on his. Make sure this guy can get past. So side door then, obviously you can send in 3 metre lengths all the way through to the front if you flap up your seat. So that is a big bonus then. So I know I've been to jobs where you might not want to use the roof rack, or you're parking in an indoor car park and yeah, you don't want to put stuff on the roof, it'll catch. So that is an ideal solution then. So slide it all the way through to the front, absolute top job. So I think on Brian's setup then, if you've seen the other Ultimate Van Tour video, he's actually got like hooks on the back of this and hangs loads of PPE and loads of different buckets and stuff like that to keep all this stuff. So he's got a really good setup. So Matt is going to copy it. So we're going to have like 2 identical vans, which is going to be pretty sick. And the fun does not stop there then. So we've utilised all the space. We've got this side entrance now then, look at this. So loads of pocket stuff for your day-to-day stuff. Obviously get out your driver door, I don't know, grab a socket, grab a switch, grab an isolator, whatever. And then you got loads of, you got this little secret compartment then, and loads of room in underneath. So you're not wasting that space for like your tester and bits. So yeah, absolute perfect job. Hey, there we go, super speedy then. So they got it done in 6.5 hours. So I got here for just after 8, and then yeah, 2:30 they were done. So it's not like that every time, but they've absolutely smashed it today then. So it just means we can get back to York, get it delivered to Matt, and the proof's in the pudding if Matt likes it. Go on, let's see his reaction. Can't wait for it. Go on then, Matt. Let's
have a look then.
Have a look at this little beast, this little baby. Oh yes.
Wow.
Does it look familiar?
Not at all. Not necessarily a bad thing.
looks great, doesn't it?
That's lovely, that. They've done a right good job, haven't they?
Yeah, so just put this trim on right at the end, just to get it all nice and neat. See what we scuff in your wood. Bunker it's called. That's the new version. That's brilliant. Like
That's
that.
even longer than one in old, then, isn't it?
Yeah, it's deeper, isn't it? Really? Right then, so yeah, we've got all the old contents to we'll just have to shove it in the middle for now then, mate, and then you'll have you'll have to kitch it out when you're ready. But yeah, what do you think then? You happy with it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
That'll do
It's absolutely amazing. They've done a right good job, haven't they?
That'll do you. So silicone might be a bit wet, so just don't be
that's why
this.
I was gonna touch it and then thought.
But that's great then. So there we go. That's the other van. So when Matt gets it all kitted out, we'll have to surprise him and go right. So we'll kit the van, make sure it's nice and tidy, and we'll show you again. But yeah,
thrown everywhere.
that is the van kit out. So this is the process then. Saying goodbye to the OG, and then we got the V3. I think V4 it is. Look at this. I'm losing track of my vans. I don't know.
What have you done?
Oh.
You done a sped up video?
Yeah, that's the one, time lapse. So yeah, this is Matt's pile of bits then, so he's going to make this fit in there. So you saw the unboxing, getting it all out in the rain, getting absolute drenched for like 2 hours whilst I'm getting ready for Matt's little surprise. So there we go, Matt, so you got a little challenge ahead. But
Got a good weekend, Anna.
yeah, enjoy the van. It'll be nice once it's all set up.
It will
So
be.
there we go. So yeah, I think we'll end it here then. So if you like this kind of content then, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification, or wave the little England flag. Anyway, as always, have a good from me, and we'll see you on the next one. Looking sexy.
Well, nice.